Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching my video. So welcome back to your class 6. We are going to start chapter 2 today, in which we are going to do some greetings or the salutations, which we call salutation. Salutation in French, right? So let's open chapter 2 in our book. It's page number 26. You can see the page number 26 here, and you have given some pictures over here. In these pictures you'll find people conversing to each other, right? I'll start from page 2 instead of 1. Fine? In this we can see the les salutations de la journée, the salutations of the day. Means what can we say in the morning, afternoon, evening and night. Right? So let's start from the very left. You can see le matin. Le matin is morning. Le matin is morning. You can see the picture where a boy is waking up in the morning. And he's saying bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. So I would like to tell you, we can use bonjour. What is it? Bonjour. Bonjour we use whenever we are meeting somebody. It can be morning, afternoon, evening or night, and especially for good morning we use bonjour. So the specific word bonjour, we can consider it like hello or good morning. Hello we can say at any point of the day, right? Then at the very right, you can see l'après-midi. L'après-midi means the afternoon. And what do we say when we are meeting somebody in the afternoon? We say bonjour. You'll say, ma'am, it's written bon après-midi also. So they have given bonjour and bon après-midi with a slash, because when we are meeting somebody in the afternoon, we always say bonjour, and if we are meeting somebody in the morning, in the evening, in the night even, we always say bonjour. But when we are leaving or we are taking leave of someone in the afternoon, we always use bon après-midi. It's bon après-midi to take leave in the afternoon. Right? Very few students knowing, and there are many teachers who are teaching French, but they are not teaching this particular topic. So I'm making it very clear. If you are meeting someone in the afternoon, you are supposed to say bonjour instead of saying bon après-midi, because we always take leave with bon après-midi in the afternoon. And then we have le soir, means the evening. You can see a lady is sitting in the park in the evening and saying, the boy saying bonsoir. Bonsoir is good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. Then la nuit means night. Here you can see the boy is going to bed and saying bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. What is it? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Here one more exception is here, that is, if we are saying bonne nuit means we are going to bed, right? You are supposed to use bonne nuit only when we are going to bed. And if you are meeting somebody in the night, you are not supposed to use it. You can use either salut, bonjour, comme ça. Okay? Then you have given some chat clouds here, right, below, and you have given a watch. So they have given some explanation when to use which word. And in the first cloud, as I told you, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit is said when we take leave of someone during night, right? In this particular cloud, it's written that we always use bonne nuit when we are taking leave. And then we have given bonjour here. At right, you have given bonjour is used to greet any time when we meet someone, right? If we are meeting someone, then we say bonjour. Then come again at left. You can see bonsoir. When we meet someone in the evening, then we say bonsoir. Then you have bonne journée. You have given one more salutation, that is bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a nice day, right? You can use it either in the afternoon, right, or in the morning even. Bonne journée or bon après-midi is used when we take leave of someone during the day. If you are taking leave, then you can say bonne journée, have a nice day. Or if you are taking leave in the afternoon, you can say bon après-midi. Then we have bonne soirée. Bonne soirée, if you are taking leave in the evening, so you are wishing that your evening should be good, right? So bonne soirée, have a nice evening, is said when we take leave of someone in the evening. So in this particular page, you can see some greetings related to the different times of the day, right? Morning, afternoon, evening and night. I hope you are clear enough. And let's come back to the first page of this chapter. In this particular page, or on this page, you can see some conversation here, right? So first one is, you can see apprenons à saluer, means let's learn how to greet, right? Let's learn how to greet. Here you can see there's a lady and a man. They're saying bonjour monsieur. The lady is saying hello sir. Then bonjour madame, hello ma'am. Means if there are two people who are not knowing each other, they are in a formal relation, or they are like in a particular relation which is not common to both of them, right? So they will take bonjour. And if two friends are meeting together, then you say salut, and they are taking names. If formal relation is there, then you are not going to take the name. You'll say ma'am or sir. But informal relation can use the names, and they can use salut. Which word? Salut. Salut means hi, and bonjour is hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you want to use it, as I told you before. Then come to the end of the page. Here you can see how to take leave. Apprenons à prendre congé de quelqu'un means let's learn how to take leave from someone. The word is au revoir. It's written au revoir, but you need to say au revoir. Au revoir, and you can use the name. Au revoir Julie. Au revoir Julie et au revoir Vincent means bye Julie and bye Vincent. So, and then one more word can be used, that is Adama, Caroline, Adama, Gabriel. Means the person is going and he's saying see you tomorrow Caroline, and Caroline is again saying see you tomorrow Gabriel. Means there are some particular words that we use while leaving also. So that's all for today, and I hope you are going to go back to these 2 pages and you will revise everything. And in the next class, I'm going to take these words as a vocab from chapter 2 here, and you will go through one more page as magical words. So we are going to continue with this chapter only in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye.